Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make a small macrame wall hanging. To start off, I'm using 10 pieces of 3mm macrame cord, which are 80 cm long. On a wooden dowel, make 10 lark's head knots. Fold the cord in half, push the loop through the back of the dowel, and pull the ends through that loop. Now make 5 square knots underneath. Using the first 4 cords, take the cord on the left, pass it over the 2 in the middle and under the cord on the right. Now put the cord on the right behind the 2 in the middle and in front of the cord on the left. Tighten the knot and push it to the top. Repeat the same process in the opposite direction. For the next row, skip the first 2 cords and make 4 square knots in between the previous knots. Skipping the first 4 cords this time, make 3 square knots on the next row. Now make 2 square knots after the first 6 pieces of cord. And after the first 8 pieces of cord, make 1 last square knot in the center. Using the first cord as holding cord, make 9 double hitch knots towards the center. Repeat this on the other side and join the 2 sides together by making 1 more double hitch knot towards the left. Make another row of double hitch knots towards the center. To finish off, trim the cord in the shape of the design and comb out the ends. Thanks for watching.